Today is a historic day. I'm very happy that Google is announcing $10 billion data center in the state of Andhra Pradesh in Visakhapatnam. This has been a work in progress for many months now, and especially the credit goes to our Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, and the IT Minister, Sri Lokesh Anna Garu, who from the stage of inception followed up with the central government and under the guidance and support of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, who himself wanted this kind of infrastructure to come into the country, has supported a lot in the central government, especially Finance Minister, IT Minister from the Government of India. They all extended their support, and today what would have seemed to be an impossible task of having this kind of a capacity data center in the country is becoming a reality today. And what we are going to witness here today, $10 billion AI data center investment in the country, this event could have happened anywhere in the world. This kind of investment could have happened in any country in the world. But why India, why Andhra Pradesh, why Visakhapatnam is what we all have to think about. This is only possible because of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and the leadership of our Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu ji. And Chandrababu Naidu ji has proved again that why he is called the IT man, IT revolution of the country. He has done it many years ago. In fact, in '95, when he was trying to build up Hyderabad as the IT center of the country, he has convinced Microsoft to come to India and set up its plant, the first one which was away from Seattle. And now today, this is Google's biggest investment outside their headquarters. And again, it has come to the state of Andhra Pradesh. And this is how our Chief Minister has created brand Andhra Pradesh. He has created that confidence for investments which are coming into Andhra Pradesh. This is a great revolution, I believe. And from today, we are going to see that what the state of Andhra Pradesh is going to be before the announcement of Google and after the announcement of Google, because we feel this $10 billion investment is going to create jobs up to 1,88,000. And also the kind of ancillaries and the other industries, other data centers, other technology infrastructure that is going to come is going to boost the GDP of more than 11,000 crores every year. That is the scale, that is the capacity of the investment that we are talking about. And this is a AI center related data center, and being in Visakhapatnam is a strategic advantage today that you are going to connect with the southeast, and you know India how it wants to be positioned itself as the leader of the global south. And for that, it is important that we do these kind of activities which place us at that position as a leader. And this is one of the activities that is going to give us that leverage when we are talking with the other countries on how to drive the whole IT infrastructure across the world. And we are going through an AI revolution today. In every day-to-day jobs to solving complex problems in the world, AI is being used in a big way. And our Chief Minister and our IT Minister, young and dynamic Lokesh Anna, he also is trying to involve AI as a governance-related activity and bringing in more technology into governance also. So it becomes very important for us to take lead in this infrastructure. So this is going to give us a big boost in trying to deliver better services, better governance to the common man of the country and the common man of the state of Andhra Pradesh. So this is not just a merely optics thing or something which is very specific to one industry, let's for suppose technology industry, but this is, I feel, the impact that this investment is going to create is much larger, and it is going to be an impact for the whole country. This is not just an investment for the state of Andhra Pradesh. We all have to agree that this is an investment for the country. This is what is going to place India as a technology leader across the country, and we are very happy to partner up with Google and for them to come and put its investment of $10 billion. And me participating in this event gives me immense joy and happiness. And I would like to thank Google and especially the Government of India, Prime Minister, also extending that kind of support for the state of Andhra Pradesh. Okay.